I have to admit, when I saw today's topic was garage door repair, I almost skipped it.
I get that.
It sounds so incredibly mundane. But then I started to dig into the research from Samyak online, and, well, I realized this isn't really about springs and openers at all.
Oh, not at all. It's a case study on the absolute bleeding edge of search.
Right.
We're looking at an agency that's already moved past, traditional Google rankings. They are deep in the trenches of AI SEO.
So if you want to understand how the internet is changing right this second,
Don't look at some big software company. Look at how your local garage door guy is trying to get found by ChatGPT.
and that's the mission for this deep dive, we're exploring that shift from optimizing for a search engine to optimizing for a reasoning engine.
Which brings us to the new acronyms.
AEO and GEO.
Yep. Answer engine optimization and generative engine optimization.
And the concepts here they're fascinating. So traditional SEO, it's about fighting for a spot on a list of, 10 blue links.
Right. But AEO is completely different.
It's fighting to be the only answer.
That's the key. If you ask Perplexity or Gemini, who can fix my garage door, it doesn't give you a directory to browse.
Whoa.
It synthesizes a direct answer. It says, call this company. So if you aren't the answer, you basically...
Lists they don't exist.
Exactly. You're invisible.
So why is the garage door industry the perfect battleground for this new reality?
Well, it comes down to two very distinct user behaviors that Samyak really highlights. It's urgency versus research.
Okay, the urgency mode is obvious. You're late for work, the door is stuck, your car is trapped inside, you aren't browsing.
You're panic searching.
Right.
And in that moment, the AI needs to process same-day repair and near me instantly. But the research mode, that's different.
That's someone planning ahead, looking for insulated doors or maybe smart openers.
Exactly. And that requires the AI to understand context, not just keywords. This is where the tech stack gets really interesting. We have to talk about semantic SEO.
Okay, and this is the part that trips people up. In the old days, you just, stuff the keyword garage door 100 times on a page and hope for the best.
Right. But semantic SEO is all about NLP, natural language processing. It treats topics as entities. So the AI needs to understand the relationship between things. It has to know that a residential overhead door and a commercial rolling shutter are related concepts, but they serve completely different needs.
So if your site doesn't have that structure mapped out, an AI might recommend a giant warehouse door to a regular homeowner.
Or, more likely, it simply won't recommend you at all because it lacks confidence in what you actually do. And confidence is currency for these models.
Which is why Samyak is so focused on schema markup. I looked into that. It's basically code that acts like a label maker for the algorithm, right?
I'd say think of it more like a resume for the robot. Schema explicitly tells the AI, this is a 5-star review, this is the warranty information, this is our exact service area.
It feeds directly into what Google calls EEAT.
Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Yes. That trust factor is critical, especially for something potentially dangerous like a garage door.
Right. The AI has to be sure it's not sending someone to a company that's going to get them hurt.
And doing this at scale is incredibly hard.
Yeah.
Samyak operates as an offshore partner for agencies in the US, the UK, Australia. They're managing all this hyper-local data from thousands of miles away.
Yeah, and that testimonial in the source material really showed the grunt work involved. The one from Shami Nakhash, he was dealing with a Joomla website.
Oh, Joomla, which can be a total nightmare to optimize.
He said Samyak's team spent months on long, tedious work, just cleaning up code, fixing scripts to get their Google speed scores into the green zone.
And that's such a good reminder that AI optimization isn't some magic button. Speed is a prerequisite for relevance. You can have the best AI strategy, but if your site takes 5 seconds to load,
the generative engine just moves on.
It's going to ignore you. That AI-ready website structure they talk about isn't just content, it's the plumbing.
So let's zoom out a bit. What does this really mean for everyone listening? It feels like we're seeing a shift where visibility is becoming binary.
It's a winner-takes-all dynamic. It truly is. In the old world of 10 blue links, being number 4 was okay. You still got some clicks.
Sure.
In the world of conversational search, being number 2 is the same as being number 200. It's effectively 0.
And that's the part that really lingers for me. We are moving toward a reality where an algorithm decides what the single best truth is.
And it forces you to ask a really provocative question. If you are technically excellent at your job, let's say you're the best garage door fixer in your entire city, but you are digitally invisible to the LLM.
Do you still have a business in 5 years?
Exactly.
Something to think about next time you ask your phone for a recommendation. Thanks for listening to this deep dive.
Talk soon.